If you are still using Microsoft Office 2019, then you should watch this video very carefully because I am going to reveal you something which can be very disastrous if you are using this particular variant for your commercial application. Microsoft Office 2019, which is a perpetual version, means that you own the software. Despite that, because the software is around 7 years old and Microsoft have stopped publishing any security updates, they're going to kill this Office 2019 by enabling the mode something called reduced functionality mode, which basically means that you can open, view and print your file, but you cannot edit or save it. And before you get more panic, let me tell you, if you have created any file or document in past, you do not need to worry about, because this is app that is going to downgrade, not the file that you already have created. So please do not worry about those files that are already being created. Now, one more thing before we proceed further, this particular update is only for Mac OS. Means that if you have Office 2019 in Windows or even in Android, you are safe. But if you are using it in your Macintosh or in iOS, I am sorry guys to say, Microsoft decided that they will enable this low functionality mode by 13th of July. Alright, so I spoke about the problem. What's the solution? And I would say there are two solutions. One is free, another one is paid. If we talk about the free solution and you are Office fanboy or strictly want to adhere to Office, then what we can do is we can go to online. And by the way, this was the page that I have opened when I was doing research about this end of support of Office 2019, which by the way was ended on October 2023, and this also kind of made it more vulnerable to ransomware or any other viruses. But now in 2026, in a way, they are killing it. Alright, let's leave it apart and let's talk about the solution. The first solution is you simply type in your browser office.com and create Microsoft account for absolutely free. And once the account is created, you can utilize that to sign inside. And what you will get is Microsoft Office latest version, which is Office 365 for absolutely free. The only con I see with this online variant is, it is only available till the internet works. Once internet is gone, you may not able to access it. The only con I see with this Office variant is this is available on web, alright? But when it comes to features, you will see significant upgrades when compared to Office 2019. And that too you can utilize for absolutely free. Now, if you are not Office fanboy or you can migrate to other, then another free alternative can be from Apple itself. So if you type Pages, you will see that there is an app which is alternative of Microsoft Word, and of course you can also open your docx file, for example this one, and can also edit it without any problem. So these files are built in Microsoft Word, that's why they have this docx extension, but still you can open it in Apple and can edit it. So these are two top free alternative of your Office 2019. But let's say you are not satisfied with the web version of Office, or you do not want to migrate to another tool, then in that case you can go for the paid version of, let's say, either 2024, or you can go with, let's say, 365. Now you need to decide yourself whether you would like to go with similar perpetual license where you own the software, but you can also face same kind of issue that we are now going to face in case of 2019 with 2024 as well. But not now, maybe after 5 years, or who knows. But if you switch to Microsoft Office 365, first of all, you're gonna get latest and greatest features from Office, and this is the only version which Microsoft all the time keeps up to date. But this version comes with a twist. You do not own the software, but you pay subscription charges, which is of certain amount. Maybe you can see here plan and pricing that you need to pay for these different variants. Now, if you are using it for business, then the business prices are following. In my opinion, if you love productivity, if you want the latest and greatest offering from Microsoft, then one should choose Office 365. But if you want peace of mind, you want the software that you buy, you own it, then you can go for Office 2024 as well. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic. As you know, in this channel, we cover various productivity topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.